kumbaga biologically programmed na sa kanila yon. So kitang-kita naman sa behavior ng mga babae sa social media, di ba? So they always want the likes, the attention, the validation, ayan, from people, from other women and also from men. So na-realize ko na isa to sa primal need ng babae. So naisip ko, how can I stimulate this primal need at ma-apply sa dating and relationships ko? Now, hindi ako fan ng manipulation or dark psychology tactics kasi feel ko pang short term lang yon. Ang goal ko is makahanap ng babae na loyal at loving na pang long term. So, kasi I believe that the woman you choose will either elevate your life or will slowly drain you. So, this is not about getting a lot of girls. So, wala na ako sa paramihan ng babae. Sa state ko ngayon, it's about finding the right one. So, nag-isip ako ng way kung paano ko ma-activate tong primal need na to naturally without needing dark psychology or manipulation. In which ito yung isi-share ko sa inyo sa video na to. Okay? So, but first, mag-deep dive muna tayo sa primal need of attention and validation ng mga babae. Just like us, women want to elevate their status. Gusto nilang magkaroon ng status. Gusto nilang mag-level up yung status nila, yung hierarchy nila sa society. So that's why they desire to sleep with men who she thinks that can elevate her status. So gusto niya ma-feel na it's a win for her kapag nakuha ka niya or kapag nakipag-sex siya sa'yo. So yun yung gusto niyang ma-feel. So that's why they only want the attention